Hey, what up you guys? So I wanted to come on here real quick and just do a project share. I have been loving making these super cute little beach bags or whatever you called it. I did a little boo-boo on this one. I actually made the straps like this and my mom was making fun of me. She was like, oh no, this is... I am having issues a little bit adhering it onto these vellum sheets that I made. So you have to be a little bit more generous with the glue. But other than that, these have been coming out so cute. So my mom was making fun of me because she said that this looks like suspenders. And I was like, oh my gosh, I totally like messed up on that one. So this one, I made it like tropical theme. And I have been loving making these. And I also made some of these like little, I don't even know what they're called, embellishments. As you can see here. And that's like... I don't even know how to do it, guys. It's so, I find it so hard. But the Vintage Goose shows a tutorial and explains it very well and also shares it as well. I added some tools, some bling, some stickers. If you hear background noise, that's the fam. Well, anyway, so these I think I'm going to stick in here. I added some crinkle paper in there. This little tassel from Dollar Tree. I used this pin here because I don't have no special tools to, you know, be putting these things inside. So I just used this and I attached it there. I also put a little pom-pom. Super cute, right? The only thing is like I am having issues adhering if you don't put enough and you don't hold it down to the DIY vellum paper. It does come a little undone. But as you can see, it's just this. Everything else is pretty okay on there. Yep. Well, anyway, that's that one. This one is for Ebony Sharingmoore. I wanted to send her a little handmade goodie. I wanted to send actually a couple of things to her, but I'm not able to shop, like, and I haven't been doing online shopping. So, well, anywho, so I did give her a little package there. So I used this little, like, I don't know, what's this? Like little, it's like stretchy cord that I found in my stash. It was like in a bow, so I just took it apart. And then this little tassel thing, Eileen Payne made me that, along with this pretty rolled rose, and I made my own right there, mad little, so cute. And I made this one here. I'm gonna have a tutorial coming out how to make these super cute flowers using a heart-shaped punch, so stay tuned for and that. I use the paper collection is this one here, which is from Craftsmith. And this is from Michael's. Super cute. And I also use my DIY vellum paper. I added glitter in the center of the flowers. And inside, I'll show you real quick. I'll show you how the back looks there. I added these super cute note cards that Lou David sent my way. So I decorated them for Sharingmoore, as you can see there. Thinking of you, gentle breeze. And then I added some paper clips up there. I'm also giving her these rolled flowers that I was using my punch. I was using my scallop punch, 1.5-inch scallop punch, along with my 2-inch round circle punch. And I was using them because I saw a few tutorials on how to make your own little rolled flowers without using dye. So I tried. And then I used the Dollar Tree foam stickers. And I just put them there. And I also made these adorable, look at these mason jars, so cute. I made it into like little shakers, even though they don't shake that much. And I added tools, says Happy Friends. A little cute sequence mix, as you can see there, with beads and all that. And then a couple of rosettes, just because it's always good to have rosettes on hand, and you could just decorate them how you want. So I'm gifting her those. So in here fits a lot. I think I could have fit a lot more. She loves green, but I can't find like the dark green. I don't have anything really dark green. This is what I have in my stash. I'm giving her some of these flowers here, and then these that I made using my heart-shaped punch. So if you didn't see that video, make sure to go check it out. Or if it isn't out yet, I'm so sorry. It will be out soon. So this is my little project share for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have a great day. And I hope you guys are staying safe and all of that. I'll check you guys on my next one. Bye.